If you want to use memory card or micro SD card on a Nothing phone 4a, then unfortunately you will not be able to do so with the SIM tray, simply because there is no dedicated micro SD card slot, nor there is the hybrid slot where you can usually use either the second SIM or the micro SD card. So in this case, unfortunately, you cannot just directly insert it into the phone. You cannot really use the micro SD card and put it into the phone. And instead, what you can do is you can use the memory card reader. So this is a simple USB-C accessory. So you are looking for a memory card reader that has USB-C cable and of course the micro SD card slot. In my case, my memory card reader has 3 slots, so maybe that's actually pointless to have all of these 3, but you need to have at least the micro SD card one, and I'm pretty sure there are memory card readers with just this one micro SD card slot. So you insert the memory card into the memory card reader, and then with the USB-C cable you connect it to the phone, and then you can access the micro SD card storage. Now I know that no one really wants to walk around with this accessory connected to your phone. This is not like a real solution, of course, because like I said, it's really inconvenient to use this, at least for most people. But if you wish to have access to the micro SD card storage, at least from time to time, let's say you want to, transfer some files from your phone to the micro SD card. Maybe, you have too many photos, maybe too many videos, then wait a lot, they take lots of space, so you want to transfer them to the micro SD card. Then you can do this with this accessory. You don't really want to walk around with this tool connected to your phone all the time, because that's not the point. It is mostly used just to temporarily access the storage of the micro SD card, so you can take a look at the files, you can transfer them, maybe you can do something else with them, whatever you want to, and then of course you disconnect the accessory, and that's pretty much everything, and then you use it again whenever you need to. So this is pretty much the only way to use memory card with Nothing phone 4a. Leave a like and subscribe.